Instructor Pratt with Victor Valley College's EMT program. I'm going to be demonstrating how to make a tourniquet out of a triangular bandage. Okay? Once we go through our initial bleed control procedures and we decide that we need to use a tourniquet, I'm going to select my triangular bandage. I'm going to go 1 to 2 inches above the injury site. I'm going to do an overhand knot, just like the first knot of your shoelaces. I'm going to tie a second overhand knot, leaving just enough room so I can slide my pin or any sturdy object in between the 2 knots. Tighten down. I'm going to turn my pin until the bleeding stops. Once the bleeding stops or slows, I'm going to wrap my pin and go in opposite directions around the leg. I'm going to tie on the opposite side of the leg, or if I have enough slack, tie near the pin so that you can see where the knot is. Okay? My bleeding is controlled. Now it's time to document. I will put onto the patient a T. I will put my initials, the time, and the date. That is how to make a triangular bandage.